No taxation, no representation. Say it back now, no misinterpretation. Act stack heavy like a chain on the nation. 13 voices rising, built for liberation. No taxation, no representation. Turn the pressure into new motivation. Harbor waves echoing the agitation. Boston lighting up a revolution station. No taxation, no representation. Every law sparking more determination. From the protest to the declaration, we the people shape the foundation. No tax, no rep. Say it louder, don't forget. No tax, no rep. That's the line they won't suppress, yeah. 13 colonies hustling, coastline busy. Farmers, merchants, docks all dizzy. War deck climbing, breathing, feeling gritty. So they tax every corner of each small city. Sugar act first, man, it cut that trade. Profit sliced down like a barber blade. Stand back next, every dock you made. Contracts taxed, so the outrage stays. Ordering soldiers in your home at night. Red coat boots by the candlelight. Township necks drop, man, it ain't polite. Glass lit tea, everything ain't right. Boston streets hot like a summer flame. Crowds on edge and they point the blame. Shots break loose, history gets a name. Boston massacre changed the game. T-Act drops like a spark in the dark. Monopoly burn, gotta leave a mark. Suns move silent through the harbor park. Dump that tea, let rebellion start. No taxation, no representation. Storm brewing under, calling this frustration. X hit heavy like a tight rotation. Boston night turn in a declaration. No tax, no rep. Say it back, don't forget. No tax, no rep. Colonies ain't done yet. Intolerable laws come crushing through. Block the harbor, cut the rights in two. Colonies realize what they gotta do. Meet up quick, yeah, the Congress crew. First round talk, we boycott strong. List our rights, show what's wrong. Common sense drop like a fireborn song. Pamphlet hitting mind spreading all day long. Independence now, that's the vibe it made. Plain strong words that don't ever fade. Ideas so sharp like a freedom blade. Cut through doubt, straight true portray. Lexington spark, first shot flies. Concord response, British realize these ain't folks you can terrorize. Revolution breathing, watch it rise. Second Congress form for the bigger fight. Choose a leader who can stand upright. Washington steps in with a steady light. Ready to march through the darkest night. Bunker Hill stands tall, even in loss. Show them soldiers this ain't no talk. Freedom's price always comes with a cost, but courage found never lost. No taxation, no representation. Turn the fire into transformation. 13 hearts from the new foundation. Rising up across the generation. Say it loud now. No tax, no rep. Say it twice now. No tax, no tax, no. Washington crossing through icy night. Trenton dawn hits, patriots ignite. Morale shoot up to a brand new height. Show the world we're ready to fight. Saratoga flips the whole campaign. British plans fall like a broken chain. Turning point locked in history's frame. Victory sparking a freedom flame. France pull up with the fleeting guns. Ally help underneath the rising sun. Side by side till the battle's won. Revolution's heartbeats only begun. Yorktown siege, tight like a rope. British trap with zero hope. Cornwallis seas, there's no slope. Sign surrender, end of the trope. Paris Treaty writes the final line. 1783 new stars align. Nation born after years of grind. Struggle to strength, redesign. Now draft a plan just to hold the state. Article shaky but it demonstrates how 13 groups navigate toward unity that future creates. No taxation, no representation. Echo through the brand new nation. From the harbor to the proclamation. Freedom built from dedication. No tax, no rep. Say it loud, don't forget. No tax, no rep. Put it down in every test. No taxation, no representation. History in the motivation. Learn the struggle, feel the vibration. Revolution's education, yes.